Hi there, students. A second wind, or to get a second wind. This is an idiom that means to have energy again after being tired. Okay, this comes from athletes, particularly people who run long distance races. Let's see, if you've been doing exercise and you're panting, you're out of breath, well, your second wind is when you're able to breathe again. But it's very common with people who run long distances that there comes a point that they get very, very tired and they don't have any energy. And then a while later, they feel much better again. And they're full of energy and they're able to run again. And this is the idea of a second wind. I think it's quite well documented that athletes get a second wind. It might be something to do with physiological changes. Okay, so the origin of this is from athletics. Notice if you're winded, you've been hit, or you fall, or you hit something, and you can't breathe. Yeah? So you get a second wind, you're able to breathe again, you get your wind back, and that's the idea of it. But we can also use this metaphorically. For example, after midnight, if I'm working, I seem to get a second wind. So I'm getting tireder and tireder, and then after midnight, I've suddenly got lots of energy again. If I don't get a second wind soon, I'm going to have to stop this because I'm knackered. Yeah? Okay, so to get a second wind with something, maybe you're tired of it, your enthusiasm has gone, and then you get back that enthusiasm. That's a second wind. Okay, so a second wind, new, renewed energy. What about formality? I would say this is a slightly informal idiom. I'd probably give it something like 4.5, 5 out of 10 informality. Great in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in something semi-formal. And maybe in something very formal, I think renewed energy or something like that would be maybe a better choice. So to get a second wind, to have energy again after being tired or bored or lacking enthusiasm. So there you go, a second wind. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A second wind.